Need a quick way to generate a random matrix? Open your browser and visit www.onlinetools.com/math to find the world's simplest random matrix generator. Instantly create fully customizable matrices with just a click. Let's explore its features and see some cool examples. This tool can generate all kinds of random matrices with over a dozen different options. You can adjust the number of rows and columns, change the separator for elements, and set custom value ranges. Choose between integer or decimal values, control precision, and even generate specialized matrices like diagonal, triangular, and symmetric matrices. To improve readability, enable the Prettify matrix option for neatly spaced columns. First up, let's generate a fully filled matrix with 10 rows and 8 columns. All elements are random integers from 1 to 50. With the Prettify mode on, everything is neatly aligned. Now, let's create an identity matrix. This is a special case of a diagonal matrix where all non-diagonal elements are 0, and diagonal values are set to 1. Not very random, but definitely useful. For our next example, let's generate an upper triangular matrix. Here, all values below the main diagonal are set to 0. We'll use decimal numbers with 2 digits of precision and enable Prettify mode. Now, let's create a symmetric matrix with binary elements. To do this, we simply set the value range from 0 to 1 and select the symmetric matrix type. Each value is mirrored across the diagonal, ensuring symmetry. Finally, let's generate a lower triangular matrix with negative values. We set the minimum to -100 and the maximum to -1. This results in a triangular matrix with random negative elements below the diagonal. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for our next tutorial, and keep exploring amazing online tools.